All right. Hello. We're back again. All right. This is Shomari back for the third and final test of the night, I think. Um, hmm, what happened was actually I have my cameras and everything set up, and I actually have this thing where I can show you stuff in a browser while I'm talking to you and switch between camera angles and all this stuff. And actually, I was just so happy to get sound and everything for the last video that, well, I forgot to switch angles and all this stuff. So let's do a little bit of that now. Let's see what we got here. Got that angle there, and then boop, there's me there. Oh, this camera's a little off, is it? There's me, my little angel of death behind me. Ooh, she's hardcore. It's my girl. And then see, now I got the boom, boom. So see, we can see the bloodbath that happened today. Like I said, if you watched the video from earlier, that's only happening because the Koreans disallowed foreigners to trade on their networks anymore. I mean, in their exchanges anymore. So it's nothing to be worried about. In fact, like I said earlier in the first video, if you're listening to it, trading opportunity, buying opportunity. Oh, when I say something like that, let me do this. Watch. Trading opportunity, trading opportunity. Let's go back to that. Back to the screen camera. Okay, but seriously, look at the slaughter. But, I mean, you know, these are great prices for everything right now. You know, yeah. Once people get their money sorted out, it's going to be back to the way it was. So I'd use this as a buying opportunity, everybody. I mean, I'm not telling you what to trade, but I'm just saying this is probably nice as a professional trader. It's probably a nice time to trade. Oh, yeah, that's right. I'm supposed to do this all the time. So my name is Shomari Clark. It's nice to see you here, guys. I'm a Forex trader by profession and an investor. If you want to see some of my trades and sort of see my action, what I've done, go to forexfactory.com and you can just type in my name, Shomari, Shomari, in the top right hand in the search, and you can see all my posts. I used to post live trades. I'd show you my setup charts, my trigger charts, my in-trade management, exit strategy, everything. So it's all there. And actually, there's a bunch of guys. If you just read the thread, we're all a bunch of traders trading at the time, so you'll learn from us. We swing trading trending markets, which is, you know, how professionals trade. And so, yeah, you want to learn about swing trading. I mean, literally, go there. It's not just me. There's a whole bunch of guys there, you know. The language is a little salty. You know what I mean? It's a little salty. You have to understand we're in the middle of heated battle in the markets. You know, some guys are up, some guys are down. Language gets a little loose. You know what I mean? We're all trying to help each other, but people have different ideas about, oh, the support and resistance line or that trend line wasn't properly broken and my Fibonacci. So you gotta take the language with some salt, but you can just see. The truth is what I want you to go there is to see. You know what I mean? I'm not some kid in my basement. You know, I've been, like I said, making my money, make money for over 18 years. Haven't had a 9 to 5 for 18 years. I'm chilling out here in South Beach with my baby there. Booyah. And yeah, and I'm deeply, hotly passionate right now about this new market coming. It's what you call cryptocurrencies, but it's actually blockchain services companies. They're blockchain services companies. Yeah, but Bitcoin's not a company. Right, right. So what you have to understand about this cryptocurrency world is that there's different flavors of these things you could buy. So Bitcoin is a program that runs on the blockchain. It's just an algorithm that runs on the blockchain, and it's valued just by you buying it. Ethereum is its own network, and there are going to be companies doing DApps, distributed apps. We're going to get into all of this. Don't worry, everybody. You're going to understand what a distributed app is, and we're going to talk about proof of stake and proof of work and all of these concepts. This is just a test thing, actually. I don't expect actually any real human being except a couple of my buddies to watch this tonight. So anyway, guys, Sean, you know, Marcos, like it, huh? Anyway, that's how it's going to be. But yeah, guys, so, but if you are just actually an actual person and you're listening out there, then yeah, I'm going to get into all that. We're going to get into all the technicals, but that's what we're doing. You know, Ripple, blah, blah, blah. Those are not networks. Those are actual companies, right? Ripple's a company. There's a CEO. You can get a job, you know, blah, blah, blah. So we're going to differentiate between the cryptocurrencies. You have to understand that there's differences. They're not, it's it's not just blockchain. They're all doing a blockchain, but each blockchain works different. So it's like, I don't know, like what? Like an orchid. I love orchids. My favorite plants, my favorite flowers in the world. Like an orchid. Yeah, they're all orchids, but each orchid is different. Some take 3 years to grow. Some will grow in a year. Some take 5, different colors, different things, characteristics about them. So, but they're all orchids. And so that's the same with the blockchain. Like, it's all distributed ledgers. And we'll get into all that. We're going to talk about all that, what a distributed ledger is. It can't be hacked and you can't change the data. Actually, they're going to use this in the court of law. I mean, eventually, you'll see. And so we're going to get into all that stuff. Oh, wait, see? So that's what we're here for. Hold on. I'm here to change cameras and stuff. Okay, there, right. I'm supposed to be changing cameras in the middle of talking to these people. All right. Blah, 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 blah. And I'm supposed to show you some stuff. So let's see. What can we show you? Okay, today in crypto news. Let's do something like that. Like, today in crypto news, everybody. All right. Let's do something like that. Let's see. Crypto news. Right? CoinDesk today. I mean, I'm probably just going to be reading it to you because I'm sure you just don't want to read along with me. If you wanted to read it, well, you would have just come here yourself instead of reading it along with me. But just, I like the whole thing where I can show you stuff on the internet like this. So let's just see. Let's just read one. This is boring, isn't it? You're just watching me scroll. Maybe I should just get back to talking. I don't want to bore you, but all right, let's just go. I mean, this is what we're going to be talking about on the show, but anyway, whatever. This kind of stuff, real stuff. So the SEC today filed fraud suit against CryptoBank ICO. Uh-oh. So CryptoBank sounds like something that, and they were like, nah, let's see. Securities Exchange Commission, Securities Exchange Commission is suing a cryptocurrency banking company, Arise Bank, according to public documents. The Texas-based firm, Arise Bank, together with its co-founders, whatever, Senior and Stanley Ford, is being charged with U.S. financial watchdog for alleged fraud and issuing unregistered securities during its recent initial coin offering. All right, so whatever. They're just not allowed to do their ICO. Let's see, what's another one? This channel is a little more, I mean, not that channel, but that website. But we're going to be talking from that website a lot because that's the news. Like, that's what we're here for, news. This isn't, like I said, this isn't going to be some sort of get-rich-quick type website type thing here. That, All right, whatever. We just wanted to test this camera thing anyway, so go here, boop. Let's see what we look like. Boop. All right, we're testing it. Do-do-do. Let's move it over. Boom, boom, boom. All right, guys. So here I am again. So, well, we looked at a piece of news. Wasn't that exciting? Don't worry. We'll be looking at news. We'll look at news. So, and I should say something important here. I don't know. Again, guys, you are now entering Internet 2.0 world. This is like the internet craze of the 90s. You know, I'm a 44-year-old man. Like I said, I'm a trader. I've been trading over 10 years. As you can see on Forex Factory, I was just there over 10 years alone. And look, guys, when I was a kid, there was this thing called the dot-com bubble during Bill Clinton era in the 90s. And let me tell you, every single company that just put the word .com in their name made money, big money. And that's what's going on right now. This blockchain thing is about to take over the world. Every single company is going to be on the blockchain. Your lawyer's office is going to be on the blockchain. Your insurance policy is going to be on the blockchain because your insurance company is going to implement blockchain services. I mean, everything. You don't need every single little thing in the world is about to be on this blockchain, right? It's the question of the whole purpose of this site is we're going to determine which companies are best to invest in that we believe are going to last during this blockchain revolution, right? Just like the dot-coms, which ones lasted? Microsoft is still here. Gateway, not so much. We talked about that in the last video, but just whatever. I guess I'm repeating myself. But yeah, that's what we're doing here, guys. So that was the test. So as you can see, as we sign off, this is the actual prices in the market right this very second. And all right then, so we'll do one of these then. All right then, this has been Shomari Clark, test number 3. Now we flipped cameras and showed people some browser. It's looking better, slowly but slowly. All right, see you guys soon.